saw some shots there from all the action of Turkey Tuesday. We're counting our goal of raising $500,000, and we need your help.
Yes, we've got teams across the valley helping rake in all the donations. So we want to kick things off over to Bruce Cooper and Paul Gerke. They are live in the East Valley. You guys came out strong at the beginning.
We came out strong, and we're far from finished, but I do want to recognize and acknowledge Mark and Caribe for having Mr. and Mrs. Claus on the west side. Don't get us in the Christmas spirit, but hey, here on the east side, we have Marcy Spencer and the Gilbert High School Tigers Chorus.
Who needs Santa?
That's right. Tell me more about your chorus.
Actually, these are just a few members of our choir, but we were asked by an employee here, and Bill Mitchell, the manager, to come out and help this event and just add some holiday spirit.
Well, let's hear some of that song. Let's hear the singing from you. What do you got? All right, this is the Gilbert Tigers and their high school chorus. Let's listen in.
Sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply.
Okay, while they are singing, I have a couple donations that we want to get in. All right, over to my left right here. Who do we have, and your name and who are you with?
I'm Kent Stewart, and this is Abe Bodden. We're with Insurance Professionals of Arizona. We're pleased to make this donation to the Society of Saint Vincent de Paul for $7,445 today.
Wow, $74.45, outstanding. Paul, who you have over there?
We got a donation over here as well from Even Stevens Sandwich Shop. I drive by these guys on the way to work every single day. Gentlemen, tell us about what you're doing here.
Well, we are Even Stevens Sandwiches. We're a sandwich shop with a cause, and what that means is that every sandwich that we sell within our organization, we partner with nonprofits in our community, so we donate money back to those people that are in need of to fight hunger.
And the check here today, $1,000 to the cause. That's a lot of sandwiches. Gentlemen, thank you so much for your generosity this holiday season. Mark and Caribe, can you guys even compete with us out there on the west side?
Hey guys, yeah, you know, it sounds like they're doing pretty well.
Yes,
They've got the holiday cheer going out there, but I think we have a pretty solid start.
I am very happy with the turnout here.
Me too. Here at 75th Avenue and Thunderbird, the donations are pouring in here at this location. They're all lined up. We're going to start first to my left. Sir, what is your name and who are you representing?
My name is Gunnar. I'm with GK's Vapor Pub.
All right, and they are giving a donation to Saint Vincent de Paul for $1,000. Thank you so much. Okay, up next, your name?
Julie Wansowitz, representing Community Bridges.
Okay, and Community Bridges, what is that?
We are a large healthcare agency across the state of Arizona. We provide physical health, behavioral health, and substance abuse intervention and treatment.
And what do you have for us today?
We have $1,000 for Saint Vincent de Paul.
Awesome. Thank you guys so very much for your donation. And I did want to mention, where is your pub?
This location is about 4 doors down.
Okay, so if they come out and donate a turkey, they can go to the pub and get a beer.
Yes.
All right, Mark, who do you have?
Well, how do you turn a Bloody Mary into a turkey? You buy Tito's vodka. That's how it makes a great Bloody Mary. We're with Nick. Nick, what do you have?
So I have a $1,000 check here from Tito Beverage himself. Very lucky to work for a philanthropist who makes the world's greatest vodka. So
thank you for your support. You're going to help a lot of people this year. All right, we also have Brandon from the wine group. Brandon, good to see you. What do you have?
Thank you. We have a check here on behalf of the wine group and Southern Glazer Wine and Spirits of Arizona for a check for $2,500.
Thank you so much. And last but not least, Mike. Mike, what do you have?
So on behalf of Treasury Wine Estates out of Napa, California, and our distributor partners, Breakthrough Beverage, we're donating $3,000.
We love it. So that's a lot of turkeys to help the less fortunate, not only over Thanksgiving and Christmas, but well beyond, thanks to your support. We're going to be out here. Come and say hello. People, you know what? Everybody's been coming up to me saying, is Caribe here yet? Caribe here yet? But that's fine. If you want to see Caribe, we're both out here. But if you want to see Caribe, 75th Avenue and Thunderbird, she'll take a picture with you. She'll do a selfie with you. But the important thing is that you come out and you buy a turkey. All right.
Okay, thanks for soliciting me. I appreciate that.
Yes,
but I will. We will be happy to do that. We've got the band out here at Centennial High School. And so, yeah, we're having a lot of fun at our location. So please come on down.
If you find someone that wants to see me, will you let me know?
Oh, when that happens, it may
I swear to you, everybody was looking for Caribe. All right, we'll toss it back to the
in that
studio.
case, they need to donate 2 turkeys if they take a selfie with Caribe.
There you go.
And 1 for Mark. You got to strategize on this. Yeah.
Appreciate that, guys. Thanks.
Thanks, you guys. Time now to check in with our 12 News phone bank.
Cameron Cox is upstairs with the volunteers. All right, Cam, what are the numbers looking like?
Well, we don't have numbers yet. We're going to have that here in about 15 minutes. But I will say we did get some phone calls, Mark, that have some shout-outs to you. They wanted me to tell Mark to say hello, and that was Bob, who donated $20 in turkeys. Don't forget, please call 602-258-1212. We actually have calls, too, in Spanish, too, as well. Here is Yolanda. So for anybody who speaks Spanish, she's taking your phone calls. We have phones that are ringing off the hook here. They have not stopped since we've started at 4 o'clock. Don't forget 602-258-1212 or log on to 12news.com/Turkey Tuesday to donate. We're going to update the standings at 4:30. Guys, back to you.
I can't wait for that. Okay, Cam, thank you.